Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from SimmonsEssentials. I want to bring you another original design. This is the Quixote knot, named after the great piece of literary work, Don Quixote. So let's go ahead and get started. My left side, as usual, is going to be at my belt line. Going to come over here, we're just going to put a dimple in. Again, whatever dimple you want to put in there. We're going to come around here like so. And we're going to do 2 passes around with the cylinder. There we go. Alright, so here we have that. Now I'm gonna fold it down like this. I'm gonna bring it over here like this. I'm gonna come up. I'm gonna come around, then I'm gonna come up here like this. And then I'm going to kind of push this up forward here, and then I'm gonna bring this up here like this, and then come down here like this. So this is what we're working with so far. Then I want to fold it in half. Come around here like so, then come across here like this, still fold it in half. I'm going to come through here, get this loop back up, I'm going to come through here. I'm going to bring it out here like so, and I'm going to leave it like that. Alright, now I'm going to leave it folded in half, whatever the tie's naturally doing, which for me it's just going straight up like this. Whatever it's naturally doing for you is fine. Just after putting it through here, leave it folded in half, have it going this way, and then just bring it up through here like this. I'm going to put my collar down. There we go. Now, I want to kind of do some post-production work. I kind of want to have this kind of sticking out like that. There you have it. So there's the Quixote knot. So again, remember, own your own style, my friends. Your favorite one to be made. Follow me on Instagram at SimmonsEssentials. We'll see you in the next episode.